Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome back to my basement finishing project. Here I'm continuing to work on my wine cellar. Now that it's completely framed, I have to insulate and vapor barrier it. So I decided to use rock wool insulation. It's very easy to work with, it's not as itchy as fiberglass. It is also much more moisture resistant than fiberglass, and recognizing there's likely going to be a difference in humidity levels and some potential condensation on the outside, I thought it would be better to go with rock wool. Additionally, it has better sound insulating properties. You want it to be sort of quiet and still without vibrations inside of there, and so I'm just sort of doing the best I can. So in this video I'm going to be installing all of the insulation, so please enjoy. So I've got these wires here, and I'm going to go onto the other side and I'm going to cut channels into this so that it will slip over top of the wire. It'll sort of come back together. It'll be fully insulated all the way through, and it'll fit in nice and snug. And I also have to cut around the outlet box down there. So I'm just sort of putting them in temporarily right now.